The journey of every soap bar begins here. A truck carrying carefully selected raw materials arrives at the factory. Before unloading, every shipment is weighed and
Only carefully selected ingredients are approved before production begins.
computer-controlled systems ensure every batch is mixed with perfect consistency. Heat transforms the blended ingredients into a smooth, high-quality soap base. Powerful extrusion machines shape the soap into long, perfectly uniform bars.
Each bar is cut with precision and stamped for a premium finish.
Advanced quality control guarantees every bar meets strict manufacturing standards.
Automated packaging protects every soap bar while preparing it for global distribution.
Efficient logistics ensure millions of soap bars reach stores around the world.
From raw ingredients to your home,